What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you looking for yoga pants for your iPhone? Well, if so, I've got them right here. This is by Meifigno, and it's a super slim iPhone case, and this one is for the XS Max, which is what I've got. And this case is in black. I think, true unboxing here. Ooh, pretty tight cardboard. Let's get this thing out of here for you quickly. And here is the case. And as you can see here, what we have is a lovely little case that looks almost a little armored, which is kind of cool. Matte, rubberized, rubberish, you know, that kind of matte, somewhat slick, but kind of fingerprint resistant material here. And then molded in buttons, which are like a black chrome. And then even the bezel right here around the logo, nothing around the camera port, but on the corners, rubber right on the corners, but bracketing it in are kind of this like top black chrome power buttons there, cut out for the mute switch, and then again that black chrome corner bumper type of look on the bottom as well, and holes for the speaker microphone as well as the lightning port. Now inside you can see here what we have is like a plastic like cover, and it looks like we do have like a circle cut out. I'm kind of outlining with my finger here that the inside of this case is just a little bit lower than the rest of the case, so kind of outlining it. So when you get like these metal brackets like this, or these magnetic brackets that you would put in your car, they come with a little metal disc often, and you can use that disc to put it right here and then stick it on there, and now your case will be magnetic. So it's kind of nice that they create a little recessed piece here, a little divot to be compatible with that. Now, as you can see here, pretty nice looking. Let's take XS Max. I'm just gonna press it in here, and goes in really easily. As you can see here, we've got just a little bit of a ridge here to protect the screen, so I don't have to worry about putting it down here and scratching the screen. You can see maybe even a little higher here with these edges. They go up just a smidge more, half a millimeter more. Perfectly cut out for all the switches. I can hit the buttons no problem. Same over here, no problem. You get to show off that Apple logo. Relatively nice and tight around the camera housing. There's a little bit of daylight around the housing itself, but very close fit. So pretty cool. I really like this. This is nice looking, and it's got a little bit more style and look and function and kind of ruggedness than some of the other slim cases. And again, not big. Fits nicely in my giant mitt here, but overall I think it's going to give you some nice protection style. And if you do end up getting a magnetic mount for your car or work or whatever, compatible with that too. Check it out. Meifigno. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.